Miguel is beginning to unbox the Sun Joe, and we're going to get it put together. And we'll be back shortly. Alrighty, got it out of the box. That thing is pretty wide. And this was Mother's Day present from April and Travis and their girls and boys. And Miguel's going to get it put together, and I get to use it to get bags full of grass clippings every day for the rabbits and the chickens.
So I can't use it, right?
No, you're not allowed to use it. Alright, he's got the one handle on there, and then add the extension. Now he's going to get the top handle part that you hold on to that's got the foam on it. Now he's adjusting the strap to hold the bagger up so it don't drag the ground. And I think that's all the parts there are. Alright, this is first strip. I'm going to let Miguel use my Mother's Day gift just to show me how to do this. I mean, I didn't have one of these when I was a little kid. It wasn't this pretty, and it wasn't this light, but we did have one. Oh, got in some thick grass. Don't put your fingers in that blade while the motor's running.
Got a piece of bark. I need to lift them up more high.
Okay. Ooh, look at them clippings flying in there. I like that thing. You like it, Miguel?
Yeah. See that collect the grass clippings?
Yes.
That. Let me do one.
Okay.
Couple more times.
Okay. All right. Now, let's just push it up there and let's go take the clippings and see how the chickens like them. You turned the motor off and it was very quiet. Can't tell much difference.
All right, we gotta do a little adjustment. You can put it down or more high down here on this wheel. On these two things, I got one on each side.
All right, we're gonna dump these clippings to the chickens and see how well they like them.
But this is a...
That was the purpose of getting this mower, is so that I can do clippings for the chickens and the rabbits.
Can you see?
Not really. You want to dump the whole thing in there?
You don't need nothing for a rabbit.
No, I already fed the rabbits.
You probably got to go on that side. I'm gonna dump it.
Okay.
There you go. Let me come in. Where are you?
Right here. I'm right here.
They love it.
They do love it. Thank you, April, Travis, and kids, for our Mother's Day gift. It's going to work miracles for us. It's hard pulling weeds. We got clippings, and they love it.
You see these two little hooks in here. Let me put it right there so I can. You see this bar goes in here. These hooks go right there. You just set right there. And the strap goes in here. Just lock them off. If you think that's too long, you just unlock it. It make it loose on this thing down here. See, you just move this one. I got it right where I want it. So I don't know. You can see the hole down here where I stick them in. See?
Yep.
Here. You stick them down here. Bring it around this bar down here. And lock them up.
All right.
Like I say, me, if I still think it hangs too low, bring them in one time, then do this way.
All right. So you like it, huh?
Yeah, but that works exactly like I thought it was gonna work. That way I don't have to go pull grass by hand. Maybe that way I don't have to use my lawnmower to cut the grass.
So there's enough lawn out here that you and I both can take turns. But you said it was my Mother's Day gift, and you couldn't use it.
I just try to show you how to use it. Because I'm not allowed to use it, I think.
Oh yeah, you're allowed. We can take turns.
Yeah, Mother's
Because
Day.
it don't look like that much fun, but hey,
It
it's
ain't
going to help.
Mother's Day yet. It's Mother's Day.
But it's going to help a whole lot with getting greens for all these chickens. So how many chickens you got? 40 chickens and, let's see, 7, 9,
The fourth one's
16. Yeah, but you got 16 rabbits and 40 chickens and 10 quail. So everybody eats grass. So now we got a way to do it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. This little project is kind of easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Gabriel don't like easy peasy lemon squeezy.
No, they don't. The kids don't like me say that. They say that tank is a bad word. I said no, it's not a bad word.
Yeah.
I hope you like this little project. My wife wants this one for a while, and she finally got it. And
Thanks to my daughter and her family.
I just put it together, and she helped me put this thing. Let's see, you have to put these bars. I don't know if you can see from there. The fourth bar goes on this point. There's 1 point here, 1 point right there. There's the fourth bar. And why they have these two down here, because these two arms, they screw down here. 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on this side. Then, so there's actually 3 pieces. The fourth piece hooks right there, and this one holds this one, and this one. And they're coming all the way down here, and then here, you just put this one in, pull your bolt down here, and tie them up down here. Same thing I do right there, same thing you do down here.
All right.
And
So
I think
it was easy assembly,
yeah.
and a beautiful machine. It's the Sun Joe, and I think my daughter got it at Lowe's. Ordered it. It's special order. But anyway, thank you guys for watching.
I hope you like the video. So you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Help to help our channel grow up a little bit more. God bless every one of you guys. Keep us in your prayers, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you guys.